Tariki 4 mweri uyu wa 10 ni muthenya uria Benevolence Ishisha kuma itura-ini ria Githiga kaunti-ini ya Kiambu egutura aririkanaga amu niguo arengirwo guoko gwake magitinangia mahuti na ithe Anthony Kagotho. Lydia Wanjiru na Kagotho aria ni aciari a Benevolence magatariria uria mutino uyu wahanikire nginyanagia mwana wao agitinio guoko.
We were preparing to go to church. Na pale tulikuwa tunataka kusiaga majani kidogo. Pale katika ile hali ya nasiaga ikikuwa gumu na kuja na msaidia, I just heard him scream. Na kuangalia alikuwa anasema mam, angalia mkono yangu.
Wakati mtoto aliscream alikuja kwangu, I was just nearby. So wakati alikuja kwangu niliweza kumshika, lakini mimi niliona tu mkono, hakuna this upper part. After that woman mwenye alikuja, she is mouthing ashwele, aliweza kwenda hapo kwa majani. Nilimwambia enda ukaweke ng'ombe majani. Sasa mimi nimekimbia na mtoto. Akaenda hapo akakuta mkono iko hapo kwa majani. So what she did, aliweza kunipea mkono, akanitia mama Shiro shika mkono.
No riu Arigitani thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta ni matethereirie mwana uyu kugia na guoko gwake ringi, undu uria utariirio ari uhotani munene kuri ruhonge rwa urigitani guku bururi-ini, kuona riri ni rita ria gatano undu ta uyu kuhanika thibitari-ini uyu na ukagia na umithio.
They came in as a referral from Nazareth Hospital, where he first presented. The limb had been preserved like we usually advise in a cool box.
Hihi kiga kia mwiri kingirengwo mundu agirirwo ni guikara mathaa maigana angigathie gwetha urigitani?
It would take we say it depends on the part, but for the hand we say 12 hours is probably the upper limit.
Marigitari aya ni maugite operation ta ici ni cikoragwo cigitungwo ni mathina kiondorita makiria muno igihanika kuraya na guku mucii wa Nairobi, indi makiuga arutwo aria marathomera urigitani ni marathomithio uria mangihota gutabania ati ni magukorwo ituri-ini itiganite guku bururi-ini.
We've had people from Mombasa, Kwale sending us photos of amputated parts, but because of distance they can't get to us in time, and we hope that one day we shall have an ambulance to bring such cases.
Na tondu thabari ndaya yambagiriria na ikinya rimwe, ikinya ria mbere rirari gucokia guoko kwa mwana uyu no muhaka akorwo na wetereri, kuona kuringana na marigitari guoko gukuhana o kahora na kwa ihinda riri ni anahota gukunja twara o hanini kuria ikarite thibitari-ini ihinda-ini ria thiku 16. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritora kwani Wanjiru wa Foro.